We'll have a few minutes and then we'll start. Hi, Shell. Hello, SK16. Hello, Reality. Hello. No, you're not first. Moons was in first. First one in. Hello, Boxboy. Hello, King of Nowhere. Hello, everybody. Right. I'm not going to play my music because I got told off for it last week because I'm not supposed to have any music playing in the background because of copyrights. Yes, audio's off. Audio's off. Hello, everybody. Have you got any socials? Click if you ever want to see anybody's socials on here. Click on the name at the top of the screen and scroll down. You'll find it. I'm recording. I've done it all correct and present this time. Thank you. I'll just give it a couple more minutes for a few more people to come in. Oh, thank you for my wheel. Can we have a dragon? Maybe not. Thank you, Moons. Thank you. Hi, Twin. Thanks for all the gifts. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Moons. Right. Hello, everybody. If you've not been here before on a Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. UK time, tonight I host a show which it's going to be featured. But it is recorded, so you all have to be on your best behaviour. There can't be any cursing or swearing. It's all got to be kept clean and all above board. It's called Grilled by Gill. It's a show that's of two halves. We've got the first half, which is a trivia round. The second half is a true and false round. We've got two contestants going up against themselves. We've got LQ and we've got Boxboy. It's a very fun show. Thank you, Twin. If you've never been in before, you're really going to enjoy it. I enjoy hosting it, so I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching it. I've got admins in the stream. I've got to make sure I've got my volume up, which I have. I've got admins in the stream, which will, if you ever want to be on my show, they'll point you in the right direction to come and send me a message on my Instagram. Thank you. So we've got Shell, we've got Moons, Top Badge Moons, we've got Twin Peaks, and we've also got Ditchy, who's not arrived yet, so he might not be coming because I've not heard from him. So... Right, let me give you an all-round introduction. Let's go from there. Hi, everybody. This is Grilled by Gill. Welcome to my show. It's a game of knowledge, true or false, fun, audience participation, and friendly competition. I would like to thank everybody in advance for any gifts. Or favourites, because once I've started, I won't be able to acknowledge them. I have to just pay all my attention to my guests. I also won't be able to reply to any comments in the live. But please feel free to talk amongst yourselves. Yeah, talk amongst yourselves. Have some banter, fun and banter, but keep it clean and no swearing. Once we get going, the audience is welcomed to take part and answer the questions in the stream. The last few weeks I've run the show, the wrong answers on this show have been hilarious. And I mean hilarious. Yeah, so the audience sometimes get them right, but they also sometimes get them wrong. I have two amazing guests tonight, which is LQ, and she's up against Boxboy. Also, there is a poll on my Instagram that you can go and vote on for who you think will win tonight, whether it'll be LQ or Boxboy. I will read out the results at the end of the show. So now I will introduce my two guests. If they would like to request the guest boxes, please, that would be amazing. let me see who we've got. So, Boxboy, can you request the box, please, love? Boxboy, your name's Boxboy, so you should be getting in the box. So we'll have LQ first, because it's ladies first. Oh, hello, LQ.
Hello everybody. Hello Jill. Thank you for having me. Hello everybody.
We've got the Queen of Scotland in the box at the top.
Hello,
And we've also got Boxboy at the bottom. Welcome, both of you. I'm going to ask you both to just tell everybody in the audience a little bit about yourself. I'll start with LQ because it's ladies first. So go ahead.
I'm LQ, aka Loving Queen. I am the Queen of the Love. I want to just show love and positivity and good vibes to everybody out there in the world. I like to help people as much as I can, connect people on here as much as I can. I do bad karaoke sometimes and games nights. And I just like to bring good vibes and positivity and just have a laugh, help you as much as I can.
Lovely. Thank you, LQ. Boxboy, introduce yourself. Yes. Tell everybody a little bit about yourself.
I'm Boxboy, and yeah, that's all there is to know, really. I've been on the app for a couple of years and just try and have fun and play games, quizzes, dancing, singing, music. I do a lot of battles sometimes, a bit of everything really, and just try and have fun like LQ said, that's the main thing.
Yeah, and the thing is you both like your trivia and quizzes, don't you? Because I know that LQ does quizzes and trivia, and you're really into your quizzes and trivia, Boxboy, because I know that you love joining in any trivia. I've seen you. You're very competitive. But just remember, the thing around it tonight is it's friendly competition. If there is such a thing, but it's friendly competition. I know we all want to win. Of course we want to win. But there's no winning. There's no losing in winning. There's no winning in... Oh, I don't know. Anyway, there's no losers. We're all winners. I knew what I meant in my own head. It just wouldn't come out. Anyway.
Yeah, no, I know.
It's more important than that.
Right, so they're both in the box. They've told you everybody about themselves. So I'm just going to give you a bit of rules and regulations around the whole thing. I have given the contestants a little bit of an update so they know where they're at. But the first round is a trivia round. There are 6 trivia categories, and there's one question from each category for each of the contestants. So... we have entertainment and celebrities, we have science and invention, we've got sports and pastimes, we've got the arts and music, we have history, and then we've got geography and nature. Kiwi Shellers, kindly put them in the comments for everybody. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask first, Loving Queen, I'm going to ask you first this round. I'm going to ask Boxboy first the next round. Would you like pack 1 or pack 2?
Can I have pack 2 since my birthday's in February?
Pack 2. So Loving Queen's chose pack 2. Thank you, everybody. Hello, welcome in. This is Grilled by Gill. It's a trivia and true and false quiz show. It's very entertaining. Please feel free to join in the comments. Because sometimes if the contestants don't know the answers, they may turn to you in the audience to help them. So, we're going to start with pack 2.
Yes, good luck, Boxboy.
Good luck to you both. Good luck to you both. Oh, and for each of the questions, there is 10 points if you get it right. So, there's six questions, 10 points each. So, in this round, there is 60 points to be had. If at the end of this round... You are tying, there will be a tiebreaker question, which I will come to the audience to pick which category it is. And it's the first person to give me the right answer gets the 10 points.
Okay.
Is that okay?
That sounds absolutely.
Kind, please be kind.
Right. So, LQ, Loving Queen. For your first question on entertainment and celebrities, right? Your question is, who was shot outside the Dakota Building, New York in December 1980? Just remember, in the audience, you can all answer in the audience as well.
I wasn't born either.
Oh, I was well born by then.
Oh, no, I was born the year after. I'm going to help. Jack has helped me, and he said no swearing in the comments, please, guys. It's a featured show.
Yes, no swearing, please. No swearing.
I'm going to say Jack. I'm going to say John Lennon because that's what Jack said.
The answer is John Lennon. Well done.
Thank you, Jack.
10 points to
your help.
LQ.
Thank you very much.
Right, Boxboy, your first question in the entertainment and celebrity category. Question.
Oh, yes.
Who played the character Lester Burnham in the 1999 movie American Beauty?
That will have been the lead actor, Kevin Spacey, was it?
Ooh, is he dead?
No.
Oh.
He's in and out. I think he's in and out of court at the moment, but yeah.
All right,
Good
okay.
film, actually. That, yeah.
I was going to say, I missed that one. Right, so
It's
we're
not
going with Kevin
Kevin
Spacey.
Spacey.
The answer is Kevin Spacey. Well done. Well done. Well done, audience. You're doing well up to now. I'm quite impressed with you. Let's go. Right.
Yeah.
LQ, your second question. This is in science and invention. The lead in a pencil is formed from which mineral?
I'm not very good at these, am I? Help. I never did science at school. I'm going to guess.
Don't forget, you can go with the audience. You don't have to take your own answer.
They've said lead. Is that not what you said? Did you not say lead?
No, that's in the question.
Exactly,
The question is, the lead in a pencil is formed from which mineral?
Graphite. Kiwi Shell says graphite, so I'm going to go for graphite.
The answer is graphite. Well done.
Thank you, Shell.
I can't believe that Boxboy's got a whopping big pencil.
I could do with some lead in my pencil, I know that.
Well done, LQ. Right,
Thank you.
Boxboy.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Big pencil.
Right, Boxboy,
Yeah.
your question on science and invention. Which famous Australian breakfast spread was invented in Melbourne chemist by Dr. Cyril P. Callister in the 1920s?
Australian breakfast spread, did you say?
Yeah.
It's going to be, Marmite. It's not Marmite because that's from... I'm going to go with Vegemite. Make me a Vegemite sandwich.
Yeah, the man down
Vegemite.
under. The
Well
answer
done.
is Vegemite. Well done.
Good day.
That one.
Cheers.
Well done.
Oh, we got a full house up to now.
That is UK, yeah.
Right, everybody in the audience, this is Grilled by Gill. Welcome. It's this is the trivia round of the quiz. We've got LQ going up against Boxboy. At the moment, they're neck and neck. We've had 2 rounds in the first category out of 6. So, don't forget there is a poll on my Instagram. You can go and vote on who you think is going to win. I will read it out at the end. Right, LQ.
Ryan.
Your question in sports and pastimes. Question.
Yes.
What term in computer gaming is used to describe special codes that allow you to skip levels and gain powers?
Cheat codes.
Is that what you're going for?
Mm-hmm.
The answer is cheat codes. Well done.
Ooh.
I got one.
It's getting hot in here. Right. Boxboy.
Uh-huh.
Sports and pastimes.
Oh, no.
Which player holds the record for the most men's single wins at the French Open since 1925?
Rafael Nadal.
Oh, he's confident. Nasal.
One of the
No, I think he's mean Nadal, not nasal.
Nasal. Yeah. He has got a
Right.
nose.
Wow, even the audience didn't even get a chance to answer that one quick enough.
No, they didn't. I know.
I was lucky. because
Right,
tennis
the
one of
answer
few
is
sports I know.
Rafael Nadal.
Well done, Boxboy.
Rafael Nadal,
I got
yeah.
lucky then.
Well done. Oh, I might have to start making these questions a bit harder in future.
Oh dear.
Welcome,
Not for this game,
everybody.
please.
Right, LQ, the fourth category, the arts and music.
Okay.
Don't forget, audience, you can join in. You can join in because if they don't know the answer, they could take your answer. Right, question. What was the name of Elvis Presley's manager?
Help.
I need his full name as well.
No idea. Anybody? Nobody's helping me, so I'm just
Yeah, they're typing in the audience. Can you not see?
Are they Bobby Ball, Boxboy, you've given me the answer. Bobby Ball. You've given me the
Ignore
answer.
him. Ignore him. Oi. All contestants off the green,
Tom
please.
Parker. Tom Parker. I'll go with Tom Parker.
You've got to give me the full name.
Tom Parker.
Not his full name.
Oh. Colonel Tom Parker.
The answer is Colonel Tom Parker. Well done.
Thank you, audience.
Oh my God, that was hard work, that one, wasn't it? Bloody hell.
I'll get you.
Right. Thank you, Google. Right, no Googling. Come on.
You were putting
Right,
me off.
hide it, you. Right, everybody. Boxboy, this is the arts and music question for yourself. Don't forget, audience, you can join in. Which legendary British king sat with his knights at a round table so that all of us might be of equal status?
Is this arts and music, did you say?
This is
Arts
arts
and
and
what was it, arts?
music.
Yeah. It's a difficult one, this, isn't it? King Arthur, the Knights of the Round Table, I guess.
Right, the answer is King Arthur. Well done. Well done, audience. You all did everything there. You all did it right then. Apart from reality, you said King of the Hill.
Somebody said Burger King, that was funny.
King of the Hill, yeah, I don't think that was around then.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
Right, everybody. Hello and welcome. This is Grilled by Gill. It's a quiz show. This is the first round of trivia. We're 4 questions deep and we're neck and neck at the minute. It's a game of knowledge, trivia, true and false, fun, audience participation and friendly competition. So please feel free to join in the audience if you think you know the answers, because they might take your answers above their own. So here goes. LQ. A history question. What were Germany's submarines better known as during World War I and World War II? Ah, look at the pussycat.
Aww.
Just trying to distract you.
I'm going to go for torpedoes.
Oh, the answer is U-boats. Somebody said it in the audience as
I
well.
don't think I'd have known that.
After I said it, they typed it.
My
Yeah.
distraction worked.
Right,
It did.
Keep your pussycat off the screen now, Boxboy.
It's okay.
Sorry.
All distractions off the screen.
I forgot
Right.
it was a featured shirt. Yeah, go on.
Right, are you ready? Your history. Question. In 1963, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to go where?
Valentina.
Valentina Tereshkova. I sounded really fluent then saying that.
Wait a minute. Not Terra Nova.
Primark.
First woman to go to... In what, 1990?
I think that might have been me, Moons, for Primark.
What was the year?
1963, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to go work.
Yeah, that was definitely... I'm going to say space.
The answer is space. Well done. Oh, that means Boxboy's just took the lead. Oh, it's exciting.
Come on, let's go, that Boxboy.
Right, the last question in the trivia round, and it is geography and nature. LQ. Question. Which living bird lays the largest eggs?
I think I know this. No, yeah, that's what I was going to say. I just wanted to check. Yeah, ostrich, that's what I was going to say.
You're going to go with ostrich? The answer is ostrich. Well done.
I just wanted to check that that's what the comments were going to say as well.
Right. Boxboy for the last trivia question in this round. Geography and nature. Question. In what country would you find the World Heritage Site Timbuktu?
Timbuktu is in... No, it's not. It's... Oh, man. This is tough.
Round the corner.
There's all sorts of answers coming in here. I was going to say...
Oh my God, you lot are terrible. Come on.
That's not right. Look at this. We've got Scotland, Nigeria, Wales, India, Germany, Pakistan. It's somewhere over there, isn't
I think we've covered near enough every continent so far.
I'm gonna go for Mali.
Ooh, the answer is Mali. Well done.
Sorry, that was a total guess. I do apologise.
So that means that Boxboy won the first round by 60 points to 50. Well done.
Ooh.
Well done, Boxboy.
But it can all change in the next round, because all I'm going to say is everybody thinks because these questions are true and false and it's a 50-50 chance, it's easy. It really isn't. It really isn't. Honestly.
Nope.
And so everybody, if you've just come in, this is Grilled by Gill. This is a trivia and true and false game show. It's fun. It's friendly competition. It's audience participation. So please, please, please all join in if you think you know the answer. In this round, we're going to ask 10 true or false questions per contestant, and I will alternate them like I've just done in the last round. Each correct answer is worth 10 points. So for every answer you get right, you get 10 points for it. Again, at the end of the round, if there is an equal score in this round, oh, sorry, it doesn't matter if there's an equal score in this round because obviously Boxboys won the first round. So, right, so whoever wins in this round, but if it turns out that at the end you've both got the same amount of points through the both of them, I will read a tiebreak. Welcome back. I think she went to remove somebody else and it went up. Right, let me get LQ back. Is LQ back? Listen, it's happened to other people before now. If somebody comments and then the comments move, it throws it all out. Oh, damn. Oh. Right. Is LQ back in the building? Right, Boxboy's here. I need LQ in the top box like we was before. Right, LQ, can you request the box? Right, can I ask that our contestants do not type in the comments, please? Oh.
Welcome back. Hello, everybody.
Right, can I ask that the contestants do not write? I know I ask that you please do not write in the comments, because that can happen. Boxboy, no more writing in the comments, please.
That's, yeah. I thought, yeah, that was one way of making sure I was going to lose.
I know. I was just like, okay.
Oh, right. Anyway.
I thought I'd been banned for stroking the cat, so I threw the cat off my knee.
Thanks for coming back. That's a good idea, that, Ditchy, actually. That's a good idea.
I thought it was because you were stroking your cat as well.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Well done.
That can happen.
Aye, but it's okay.
No, it is. Right. Where were we up to?
Oh dear. Right, let me just sort something out just a second. Right, listen, it's all fun. Mistakes happen, we'll move swiftly along and we'll crack on. Right, everybody, if you've just joined back, welcome to Grilled by Gill. Hello everybody, just so you all know, I can't acknowledge gifts or comments unless they're to do with the quiz show. This is my show, it's a trivia quiz. We've done the trivia quiz in the first half. We're now doing the true or false round. There's 10 true or false questions per contestant, which will be done alternating. There's 10 points up for grab for each question answered correctly. At the end, if we're on a tiebreaker up through both rounds on the same amount of points, there will be a tie-breaking question. And it'll be the first person to answer it correct will be the winner. So please, everybody, please join in the comments. Please join in, have fun. The contestants might take your answers or they might take their own. We've got LQ, which is short for Loving Queen, going up against Boxboy, who's currently in the lead at the minute by 60 points to 50.
It's close, thank you.
So,
good luck, LQ.
Right, like I did in the first round, I'm going to ask Boxboy this time to pick whether you want pack 1 or pack 2.
I'll go for pack 2, looks to be bulging, so I'll have that one, yeah, but pack 2, please.
Just so you know, they've both got the exact amount of cards in them, so there's nothing bulging.
It looks bigger.
Both got the same amount of cards in. So,
Nice one.
it looks a good bulge. Now, children, moving swiftly along.
Uh-huh.
So this time I'm going to go to Boxboy first. He's got the first question. So everybody in the audience, if you would like to join and come along with us, if you think it's true, put a T in the comments. If you think it's false, put an F in the comments. Right, let's go. Boxboy, your first question. I'm just checking. It's pack 2. Yes. Right. Boxboy, true or false? Rally drivers have to display their blood group on either their overalls or their helmet. True or false?
I don't know, it sounds like a good idea. People are saying false, but blood group on either. The thing is, it's going to be recorded anyway, isn't it, somewhere? So would they really need it on there? I'll go for false against my... I would have probably guessed true, but I'm going to go false.
The answer is true. You should have gone with your gut instinct. So the first question
right, yeah,
is a 0.
That's the way
Because you've got to think, if they have an accident and they have to be treated straight away at the side of wherever it is that they are, they'll need to know straight away, won't they? So I think it's probably a good idea.
It sounded like a great idea, yeah.
Come on, audience, try harder.
Thank you, Ma.
Right, Loving Queen, your first question in the true or false round. Everybody, don't forget it's T or F in the comments, true or false. Dead clever, that, isn't it? T for true, F for false. Let's go.
Where you got that
It's
from.
dead. It works. Right. Loving Queen, you can effectively establish copyright of your work by mailing a copy to yourself, then retaining the sealed postmarked envelopes. True or false?
Oh, I believe that is true. I believe that's true.
You're going with true? The answer is false.
I think it used to be the case once upon a time.
Why did I not listen to my musicians?
Do you know what it is? A lot of things that we got told when we were younger, a lot of old housewives' tales.
Could be
They really, really are. Right, Boxboy. True or false? Canada means big village. True or false?
What was the word again?
Canada. The
Oh,
country Canada means big village. True or false?
Big village. Does it really? Canada. In what language? In French. I'm going to go for false.
The answer is true.
Oh, God.
I told you, didn't I? I told you this round isn't straightforward, even though it's 50-50.
Yeah,
I get it.
zero so far.
Right.
Canadians as well.
Love it. Come on, audience. Let's see what the audience was saying. The audience was actually saying true. Well, come on, let's go. Right. Loving Queen. Nutmeg is extremely toxic if taken intravenously. Why would you want to take nutmeg intravenously? I'm a bit confused at that one.
I'm going to go with true.
The answer is true. Well done.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
It's
Oh,
even
you
dangerous
pulled
to
it back
swallow.
now. You're both drawing now. Ooh.
You can swallow a spoonful of cinnamon, but nutmegs can be very dangerous.
Yeah, I just don't understand why you'd want to take it intravenously. I like nutmeg on top of my custard tarts.
Yeah. Rice pudding.
You never know.
Hallucinogenic, is it? Wow.
Well, yeah,
LSD?
apparently so.
Right, Boxboy. Coca-Cola is used by police for cleaning up blood after a traffic accident. True or false?
I can't be. Oh, these are ridiculous, but it's got to be. It sounds so stupid. It could be true, but I'm going to go for false.
The answer is false. You was correct to go false.
Boxboy.
Finally.
They were confused in the comments.
Right, Loving Queen. If a man didn't shave his beard, would be 30 feet long by the end of his life. True or false?
Depends how long his life is.
Well, that's quite true. I think it's going on an average life spell. Don't complicate things, Boxboy.
Because it depends, false, because everybody's hair grows at different lengths, different speeds. Surely, I'm saying false.
The answer is true.
What? How is that even true?
I'm shocked because mine wouldn't be.
Yeah, mine wouldn't. But I'm not a man, so that's probably why. If it was me hair the other way around, this grows really quick and it's like, Right, Boxboy.
That's quite, yeah. Yes.
Boxboy. The Philippines, true or false? The Philippines is the only nation on earth that flies its flag a different way when it is at war. True or false?
Oh, God. There is a country that does that. But I don't think it's Philippines, is it? There is a country that displays it differently depending on what they're doing. So I'm going to go for false.
The answer is true.
Oh,
this is a
shove it.
Let's go.
Whoa! We've literally got 2 questions right out of 7 up to now. We're doing really well.
Let's go, LQ.
You're so clever.
I'm smashing this.
Yes, Philippines. Right, Loving Queen. LQ. You can tell the age of a tree that's been cut down by the number of rings in its trunk.
True.
You going with true?
True.
The answer is false.
What?
Yeah.
What? That's what I was told at school.
Wasn't it?
It's false.
Don't lie to me.
Right, everybody, if anybody's just joined my show, this is the second half. This is the second half of Grilled by Gill. This is the true or false round. Please feel free to join in if you think you know the answer. Type a T for true, F for false. Also, there is a poll on my Instagram. If you can all pop over to Instagram at some point, I will read out at the end who you think is going to win. Right. Boxboy. Boxboy. And also I thank everybody for the gifts and any favourites, but I can't acknowledge them just now, but I will acknowledge everybody at the end. I appreciate y'all. Right. Boxboy. Dalmatian dogs are born without any spots. True or false?
I'm going to go true.
The answer is true.
Well done. Oh,
Yeah,
Bad
boys.
mistake. Your last question is Google was wrong.
Right. Loving Queen.
Yes.
Thanks, Callie.
Loving Queen. The record for the most children born to one woman is 69. Is that true or false?
9?
I
Crazy already.
dread that.
I knew her well.
Are you having a... I mean, how is that even...
69 children. Is that true or is it false?
I'm going to say true. It's got to be true. Why would they put that out there for it not to be true?
Thanks.
The answer is true.
Yay!
Somebody has given birth to 69 children.
Wowee, oh wowee, oh wowee.
68 of them were mine.
That's bizarre. Bizarre. No,
Wow.
the question was born. Most children was born to one woman. That born to, I'm surmising that means given birth.
Yeah. Wow.
Right. Boxboy. Crickets make their chirping noise by rubbing their legs together.
They're like, I think it is true. Yes, that's definitely true.
You going true?
Or is it the wings? I was going to say, hang on a minute, the legs. No, it is the legs, surely. It's true.
The answer is false.
Ah, this is a farce.
I'm still questioning the tree trunk one. I'm still questioning that. I'm telling you.
Well,
Listen, I can only go off what I've got. I've not looked into every single question, but this is a game I paid a lot of money for, so I'm hoping it's all correct and present.
it depends on the tree.
Right, Loving Queen.
Yes, dear.
We're on the sixth question. This is the sixth question for both of you. The Blue Peter flag signals a ship is about to set sail. True or false? What do y'all reckon? The Blue Peter flag signals that a ship is about to set sail. True or
I'm going to
false?
say false. I'm going to say false.
You're going to say false? The answer is true.
Oh, what? Why did I listen to the comments?
I know. Damn. Dear me.
Wow.
Thank you, Ditchy.
Right. Boxboy.
Yeah.
Question 7. True or false? Toads can give you warts. True or false?
Sounds like another myth, doesn't it? Isn't it that they can cure warts? No. They've got warts themselves. Hang on a minute. I'm going to guess false.
The answer is false. Well done.
Well done.
Oof.
Woo. Right. LQ. Welcome everybody. This is Grilled by Gill. It's my show that is a trivia show and a true and false show. I've got two contestants. I've got LQ, which is short for Loving Queen, and I've got Boxboy going up against each other in the second half. There's a poll on my Instagram if you would like to pop over and vote who you think is going to win between LQ and Boxboy. I will read it out at the end of the show. Whoever wins this round, this show, will go through to the semi-finals and final next Tuesday. So I hope you're all available if you do go through. Right. If you want to join in, if you think it's true, put a T in the comments. If you think it's false, put an F in the comments. Right. LQ. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. True or false?
See the light bulb on the phone, and I always get this mixed up with this guy. Is it the light bulb or is it the phone? I'm going to say true. I think it's the light bulb.
The answer is false. You should have gone with the audience. Most of them were saying false.
That one mixed up. Thanks. Bath, I went for you, Bath. Believing you.
He did. Oh, Sally Ann's been doing some Googling, unless she already knew it. Right.
Yeah, that's right. She is right.
Boxboy. Peanuts are a key ingredient of dynamite. True or false?
Well, I know that peanuts are not actually nuts. Really, does that give me any points?
I know they begin with an L, don't they? They begin with an L.
Peanut's not a nut. They're not nuts. They're legumes.
Legumes, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, but no, I'm going to say false.
The answer is true.
No.
They actually use peanuts in dynamite. Listen. I don't make these questions up. I just read them out, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I believe you. You'll be hearing from my lawyer in the morning.
Right. Loving Queen. LQ. Putting a pair of, true or false, putting a pair of tights in the freezer before you put them on will stop them from running. True or false?
True.
You going true?
True.
The answer's false, I'm afraid.
What, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I do it every night.
I've heard that somewhere before.
Oh dear.
Stops them running away.
Oh well, that would
Unless and if you don't cut your toenails properly, you'll run them even more then. I've done it a few times. Right. Boxboy. I have to keep checking it with who I'm on because I started the other way last time. Giant clams have been known to trap divers and kill them. True or false?
Giant clams have been known to trap divers and kill them. Good grief.
How big did they get up to? Well, I'm surmising they're big if they're called giant clams.
It'd have to be a very big clam or a very small diver. I suppose it could trap the flipper, couldn't it? But must be. I'll go false. It sounds a bit silly, but it could probably.
The answer is false. Well done. You was correct to go false.
Oh. Well done, Boxboy.
Thank you. It was
right. LQ. Attila the Hun died of a nosebleed. True or false?
Attila the Hun.
I thought he died while playing this quiz.
Come on, it's not that bad. Come on, Boxboy.
Unless he's in the air, surely it's going to be false. Because, if it's in the air, then there's no way to stop it, really. Because I've had nosebleeds. So I'm thinking about it. There's people that can stop your nosebleeds. You can get it cauterised and things. So I'm saying false.
The answer's true.
Really?
Yeah. Wowzers. Listen, it's very educational and all this show.
Yeah. and learning.
Right, the final question, Boxboy, in this round.
Okay.
Cher, true or false? Cher had her lowest pair of ribs surgically removed to achieve an ultra small waist. True or false?
I've heard that before, but is that something that's... There's often rumours about celebrities like this. I remember the famous one about Mark Armand, which was false. But
Yeah, I remember that one as well.
Yeah, let's not go there. I'm going to go for false.
You're going false. You was correct to go false. It was false. Well done.
Most people said true.
Right, LQ.
You're
Your-
too intelligent for me, Boxboy.
What did you
Your
say?
final question in the true or false round.
I get all my ribs removed.
Right. True or false? Bulls are attracted to the colour red. True or false?
Sure. True, that's why they're running towards the red things, surely. Okay, false. I'll say false.
You're going false. The answer
I'll give you
is
this.
false. You was right to go
Yeah,
false.
They're colourblind.
Right. Can we have a few drum rolls in the audience, please? Tap the drums. Let's go. Right.
Bloody hell. Just going for it. Steady on.
Used to play the drum.
Right. Everybody, I have the results. Whoever's requesting to get in my guest box, you can't get in, so please kindly remove yourself. Thank you. Right. At the end of that round, across all the rounds, Boxboy won by 110 points to 80.
Well done, Boxboy.
I'm going to say that true or false round was absolutely atrocious.
It was, yeah. It was
Absolutely atrocious. But at the end of the day, you've got a 50-50 chance of winning, and you didn't get any of them right, apart from a couple of them. But there you go. That's the joys of having a go. Right, stop battling me and stop trying to get in my guest box, whoever it is. Right. So, right, I'm going to ask LQ if you've got anything that you're doing in the next week or so that you'd like to let everybody know about, whilst I just whiz across to my Instagram to see who everybody voted for. So if you speak to everybody in the audience about what you've got going on.
I've got nothing coming up in the next week or so just now, guys. But in March, I have my first auction that I'm hosting. It's going to be a talent auction. So I've got lots of singers, rappers, poets, comedians. So if you want to come along, then you can. It's on the 11th of March between 8 and 10 Eastern time. It's going to be a good laugh.
Right, Boxboy, would you like to go ahead and tell everybody if you've got anything going on?
I've got a dental appointment next week.
I've just been to the dentist. I'm bruised. I'm bruised right now.
What time's it at? 2:30.
Yeah, nice one. I've been, in my stream, I've just been playing some new games recently. They're interactive. They're a bit different. They're quite fun. Trying to get new players. So if anybody wants to pop along, they'll be more than welcome. I think I've got. Oh yes, next week I'm on. I've just been invited on to Magical Stallions Best Expressed.
Oh, so Boxboy's going to be singing.
Yeah, so whatever you do, don't turn up. And no, I've only just found out about that like an hour ago. But yeah, thanks. Oh, by the way, Gill, thanks for having us. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Yeah, can everybody in the crowd, the audience, the viewers, could you please click on LQ and Boxboy and give them both a favourite, please? That'd be amazing. And go and visit the stream, see what they've got going on. I'm going to now read out I'm going to read out who voted in the poll on my Instagram. They all voted 60% for LQ to win.
No.
Listen, they underestimated the underdog again. That's what they did.
Who can blame them?
Thank you for the gifts, guys. Wow, I was not expecting that.
So at least you got the public victory.
Yeah, listen, all victories is a victory, isn't it? That's all you've got to take. Take something from it. That's what it is. I'd like to thank you both for taking part in my show. You've both been amazing. Thanks for coming back and carrying on. We carried on as normal. Blips happen, things go wrong. It's normal. We're not on the television. It's a learning curve, learning process, and that's how it goes. So I'd like to thank you. If you'd like to jump out the box, please. And everybody, if you can please favourite LQ and Boxboy, that'd be amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you, love. Thank you both. Right. Thank you. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read out, I'm going to tell you a few shows, and I forgot to write them down again because I'm rubbish. Straight after my show tonight, this happens every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. UK time, every Tuesday, grilled by Gill. After my show, then Magical Stallion show starts, which is called Best Expressed. It's a musical showcase where you can go in, you get invited along, let him know that if you can sing and you want to be on his show, you get a chance to sing 2 songs. I've actually been on it and sang myself. It was good fun. It was really good fun, and I only had half a voice as well. It was great. Yeah. Also, what else have we got? We've got Moons' show on Sunday, which is Talking to the Moons. Talking to the Moon. This week, it's about weight gain and weight loss. She's got 3 amazing people on her show, guests on her show. Plus, she's also got a singer at the end, and it's a brilliant show. A brilliant show. I loved it. I've been every single one, and I've enjoyed every single one. They get down to the nitty gritty. Straight after Moons' show on Sunday, there is Magical Miss Chris's Quaint Curiosities. It's a show for if you collect anything, if you're a collector of anything at all, hit them up on Instagram. You can also hit Kiwi Shell up because she's an admin for them, and let them know what you collect, and you could possibly be on their show. And then Sunday night, this Sunday night coming at 5 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. UK time, is Krabby's Mystery Singer, the finals. So it's been over the last 4 weeks, there has been mystery singers, which are all they're all streamers on the app, that have been singing under a lurker. Nobody knows who they are. They've got their own emoji. But this week, there is the finals. And there's 2 that we're really, really fond of, and that is the Chick and also the Gina. They're the 2 to look out for. They're the 2 to look out for. Right. Is there anything else that I've missed, everybody in the audience? Is there any shows I've missed that needs to be announced? No, I think I've covered it, haven't I? Yeah. And I'd just like to say thank you so much to all my admins. I would like to say thank you to all my admins. You've all been amazing, as always. I'm going to give all the gifters a shout out now. We've got Duck Up North is the boss of the show. Then we've got LQ, Boxboy, Moons, T-Mac, Cold Blooded, Your Favourite Nurse. Then we've got there's loads more, the ones at the bottom. But I'd love to say thank you very, very much for your support. Thanks for being here. You've all been amazing. Thanks for coming back. All my bouncers, all my admins, everybody, you're all amazing. If you haven't already, please give me a favourite. It's at the top of the screen, at the side of my name. And please give everybody a favourite. Everybody favourite each other. Ivory, I love you. Don't worry about it. It's all love. It's all good. It went perfectly fine. We was gone for a minute at the most. That's all. So don't worry. It's all good. And that's it. That is going to conclude. Don't be daft. Listen. I've kicked many people out of people's streams when the comments have moved and you've gone to click on somebody and it's moved and you've kicked the wrong person out. We've all done it. Yeah.